So nag-stop muna ako mag-shoot kasi as you can see at the back, malakas yung ulan. So meron display, car display dun sa may gitna ng Ayala Malls, Manila Bay. But medyo magulo, matao. So pupunta tayo dito sa podium kung saan nandito yung mga iba pang car owners and car displays. So ayan, tignan natin sila. And we're here. Kaya masyadong displays sa baba. Puro lahat nandito sa taas. Medyo mambon pero dapat lang. Hindi natin dala yung camera, but we'll use the DJI Osmo Pocket. And here is what you'll see. Mahangin. So mambon. Ito yung mulan kanina. This is our crowd. Ito yung mga gusto natin makita. Yan. Yeah. So, some Suzuki Swiss. What else can we see? Oh, ang tagal ko nang di nakakita nito. Sempra B13. Tama. And some FBs. Cars, Migos. Some Slam. Subarus. I actually drove one before. One of the scarier cars that I've driven before. Mazda 6. Lancer Backside. Long time. Okay. Some EX. Saan nakita ko ito recent? I don't know. Ooh. Fantastic. Crown. Suzuki. Esteem. Wagon. Sura. And wow, okay. Pathfinder. Nissan Pathfinder. I think. Toyota Hilux. Some wheels over there. That's basically it. I think hati-hati yung mga tao today. So nag-stop muna ako mag-shoot kasi as you can see at the back, malakas yung ulan. Everyone's ran for cover. Meron ng ibang mga coaching mares. Meron pa naman mga dumarating. And I salute those na dumarating kahit umuulan. But yeah, I think I'll call this a night for now. Can't get them all, pero okay na yun. Saya naman ako sa mga cars dito sa taas. Nagaganda. They all did a good job. I wish I could have gotten a little bit more time to shoot some rare unicorns here, like the Star. Forgot the Mitsubishi Star. Yon, I think. If I'm not mistaken, the Celica, the Esteem, the Crown, Sana, the SIR right here. getting wet. My shoes are very wet. Hindi ko na i-risk yung camera. But yeah, post ko later. Bye.